This AI blog creator is an SEO powerhouse and it's completely automated. Using it, every time your competitor creates a blog or you just find a blog that you want to replicate, it's going to automatically replicate but adjust it for your brand and create a fully SEO optimized blog in seconds and with basically zero effort on your part. All you need to do is review it and publish. That means a couple things. First, you're going to be constantly releasing content and improving your SEO on autopilot. And second, your competitors can never outpace you with SEO because every time they release a blog, you're going to be releasing a version of your own targeting the exact same keywords. Using it is really simple. Once we integrate and have it set up for you, anytime an email coming in matches a certain search or filter, it's going to pull the URL from that email, add it to a spreadsheet, and then it's going to pull from that spreadsheet to actually create the blog based on that URL and the keywords that it's targeting. Now, we don't need to pull from an email of one of your competitors' blogs. You can also just copy and paste URLs to this spreadsheet, and it will automatically generate SEO optimized blogs just from a URL. Anyways, enough talk. Let me show you it in action.
For the sake of this example, we're going to send an email as if we were your competitor sending out a new blog email. Now, this is just to show that the only thing that matters is that there is a link to a blog in the email that you receive. So as long as your competitor has a link in the email, then you will be able to run this AI automation. So let's click send. Okay, now this is the sheet where the URL will be updated once the AI automation runs. Now I have mine on a 15-minute timer. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so now that we've got this new article here, like I said, it's a 15-minute timer. So the AI is going to do its magic and it's going to post our blog article to Slack. Now you can have it set up to send anywhere like your email, but I have it set up to Slack. So I'm going to pause this recording, and in less than 15 minutes, that article should be there. Okay, and as you can see, the blog has now been posted in the specific channel that I wanted it in. It includes everything that we want for SEO. It has the title tags, including only one H1, variety of H2. It's got the meta description. It's including all of the context that you need it to include from that reference context document, as well as acting on best practices for SEO, all behind the scenes. So you really don't need to worry about anything. You just set this up or have us set this up. And then anytime a competitor produces a blog, that is going to add that URL of the blog to the list. That list is going to reference the context that you want added, like your company name, your prices, basically anything that you want referenced. And then it's also going to reference SEO best practices, which we've already written. So you don't need to worry about that. And it's going to produce an SEO optimized blog that you can basically just cut and paste unless you want to actually review and make some adjustments to it.
And that's it. Again, all of the context for this blog is fully customizable. We're going to give you access to a cloud document that you can update not just at the start, but on an ongoing basis. So this is going to include simple things like your company's URL, your company's name, what your key differentiators are. And it's also going to allow you to update that context at any time in the future. So let's say your call to action is on a URL that changes for some reason. No problem. You just add that new URL to the document and the blog will now generate blog drafts based on that updated context. So not only is this cutting down the amount of time that companies are spending writing blogs by over 75%, but it's also making sure that your competitors can never outpace you. And that's it. So once you're ready to start leveraging this AI blog creation automation, just purchase online or schedule a meeting with us so you can start outpacing your competitors and improving your SEO on autopilot.